Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on this laptop. You can do it using your settings or function keys. To do it through your settings, go to Start menu, go to Settings, then go to System, Sound, then select your active microphone, and to disable your microphone, select Don't Allow, and to enable it again, just click this button once again. And if you want to see how it's done using your function keys, first of all, check if your function keys aren't locked. In my case, they are unlocked, and I can tell by the way that function keys, the FN key isn't lit up. But if I press FN key with the Shift button, like this, at the same time, FN key lights up and my secondary functions of the function keys become unavailable. So what I want to do is unlock my function keys, and to mute the microphone, I will use the F8 button. And as you can see right now, the F8 button is lit up with yellow color. That means that my microphone is muted, and to unmute it, I simply have to press this button again. And so that's how all the ways to mute the microphone on your HP ZBook Firefly 14. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.